Hello, good day everyone. You are welcome back to Class Bridge. So in this lesson, we are going to be learning how to find the unit vector of a vector, right? Now, we need to understand that when we're talking about unit vector, it is a vector that has a magnitude or a length of 1, but it moves in the same direction with the actual vector, right? Very good. So the formula for finding a unit vector is given by, we can say v caret is equal to the actual vector v over the magnitude of v, which imply that we can say where v caret is the unit vector, and this is the actual vector. While the absolute value of v is the magnitude of the vector v, right? Very good. Now from here, we can see that our vector v is given by what? 6i plus 8j. Also, to find the magnitude of v, very simple, is given by the square root of 6 squared plus 8 squared. It's as simple as that. Now, we can say our absolute value of v, which is the magnitude of v, is what? The square root of 36 plus 84. This will give us the square root of 100, right? Which imply that the magnitude of v, the magnitude of vector v is what? 10 units, right? Very good. Now, you can see we already have this. And we already got this too, which is what? 10. Now we can find the unit vector. It implies that our unit vector is just 6i plus 8j over 10. Where do I get my 10? My 10 is what? The magnitude of vector v. So we can rewrite this as 6i over 10 plus 8j over 10. And when we simplify, we observe that it will become 2 goes in 6, we have 3, over 2 goes in 10, we have 5. I plus 2 goes in 8, we have that to be 4, over 2 goes in 10, we have that to be 5j. Which means that this that we have here, 3 over 5i plus 4 over 5j, is the unit vector to the vector v itself. And we have said that a unit vector of a vector will always have the magnitude of 1. So we have to confirm if truly the magnitude of this unit vector v that we have got is equal to 1 at the end of the day. So we want to confirm. It implies that the magnitude of our unit vector v should be equal to 1. So let's confirm that. So we already know how to find the magnitude, right? So the magnitude of vector v will give us 3 over 5 all squared plus 4 over 5 squared. So this will become 9 over 25 plus 16 over 25, right? So when we take the LCM is still 25, right? So we are going to be having, so we have 9 plus 16 over 25, and we can see that 9 plus 16 will give us what? 25 over 25, and that is the square root of 1. So the square root of 1, is still 1. So we can now confirm that the magnitude of the unit vector of that vector is what? 1. Confirmed. So let's see another example. All right. So here is another question. We are being given vector A, which is equals to 3i minus 4j plus 12k, right? Plus 12k. Now, we already know the formula we are going to use. Here, we'll be having a caret is equals to the vector A over the magnitude of A. So let's quickly find the magnitude of A. Of vector A. And that is given by three squared plus minus 4 squared plus 12 squared. This implies that we'll be having a magnitude of A to be equal to the square root of 3 squared, that should be 9, plus minus 4 squared, that should be 16, plus 12 squared, that is 144. This will be equal to 9 plus 16, that is 23. 23 plus 144, that is 169. 169. So it implies that the magnitude of A will be the square root of 169, that's 13. It's as simple as that. So our unit vector A will just be equals to vector A is what? 3i minus 4j plus 12k, right? Over the magnitude of vector A is 13. 13. It's as simple as that. Now, let's confirm if the magnitude of our unit vector A is equal to 1. Let's quickly confirm, and it should be. So let's see. So our magnitude of unit vector A will be what? The square root of 3 over 13 all squared plus minus 4 over 13 all squared plus 12 over 13 all squared. And this will give us 9 over 169 plus 16 over 169 plus 144 over 169, which imply that If we sum everything together, we'll be having 169 over 169, and this is the square root of 1, which implies that the magnitude of our unit vector A is what? 1. It's as simple as that. So therefore, our unit vector, the unit vector to the vector that is being given is 3 over 13i minus 4 over 13j plus 12 over 13k. So it's as simple as ABC. Thank you very much. So if you find this video helpful, please kindly like this video, share this video, and please subscribe to our channel to get more informative and educative content like this. Thank you very much. God bless you.